Welcome back to Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're going to be walking around and checking out a 1948 Stylemaster. You can see close to 100 detailed pictures on my website at maplemotors.com. Also get financed and shipping. All the information will be located on our website. In these videos, we're going to start off by looking at every kind of flaw that I could find so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We're going to be pointing out any kind of flaws we can find on this 70-plus-year-old car. Got the moonshine cabin back here. You can tell that's some old wood. Go ahead and check the trunk out first. Weather stripping around the trunk is aged. You can see it's not quite soft as it used to be. I think on these you just pick them back up and they come down. Let's try not to get y'all too close here. Okay. There's some pitting on that handle. This one does have a 350 in it. I noticed they put a inside cable on it to pop your hood. Not quite exactly what you want, but all you do is pull it like that and it opens. I have to relocate that. And you pick it up, you push that button, and you got a hood prop that lays down right in there. Like I said, 350 under the hood. Does have an AC compressor. It kicks on, but it's not blowing super cold, so it's going to need a little bit of work on that. We're going to start up here in the front. Anything that I see, you will know about. The grill does have a lot of little rust spots, some pitting on it. It's not perfect. Same with the bumper on the front of here. Some paint runs around the headlights, bezels. Paint is not in perfect shape on this car. Aftermarket American racing wheels and tires with decent tread. Got some bubbles popping up on the fenders. None of the trim has been replaced on this one. There's a crack in the driver's side windshield. It's a two-part windshield on this one. Little chips here and there. Checking the bottoms of the doors, not too bad. Some cracking in the paint. A little bit of pitting on pretty much all the trim around the car. The main trim going around looks pretty good. But like your door handles and your emblems, your bumpers, all have some pitting on them. Some indentions in the back bumper there where the paint was chipped and they painted over it. Get your gas cap right there. Your seal looking a little dry. Small little dent in the trim. This car here has a lot of cosmetic imperfections. Does run and drive great. If you haven't seen the test drive video of it, definitely check that out. Little dent right there. All right, we made our way around the car here. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. The door opens nice and easy. That panel's a little bit dirty at the bottom. Weather stripping's been replaced around the door. See, so the rubber's got some dry rot cracks coming on in it. Carpet's pretty original there. Looks like it's got some age on it. The seat's got a wear in the top portion. Headliner's in good condition. I like the fuzzy tail light. I don't know if y'all caught that. Look at this. Coming back, looking at the dash. You can go ahead and place your bets at home. They don't do the poles anymore. But do you think the horn works? We'll start it up. Starts up pretty easy once it's warm. At a cold start, you gotta kind of hold your foot on the gas a little bit, let her warm up. Gas gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. It was moving around while we were driving. The temperature gauge was moving around too, but I don't know if I trust it because it never got over 160. Oil pressure gauge is sitting at like 25, 30. While you're driving down the road, it goes up to like 40. Showing 90,000 miles on the dash. That's hard to stand behind. This is a 1948 model. Can't prove that. Wipers, they do work. Do got the aftermarket radio in the office. Like I said, with our AC, little squeak coming from the blower motor. You turn it on, compressor's kicking. I'll leave that on just to show you the compressor's working. But it's not super cold. It's just slightly cold. Horn, you ready? No horn on this guy. Slight cam, pretty good sounding exhaust. Exhaust leak on this side, you can hear it. Compressor's working. Motor's quiet. Give her a rev. When you're shutting the hood down, it's quite easy. It's good to go there. I had to pull that prop, so I had to cut the video. Hood lines up well. Car's definitely got a good look to it. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go all the way around the car, and we're gonna call it for the day. Let's check it out. Guys, I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so check that out, along with financing information. And yes, we can ship these cars all over the nation. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. I try to post them every day. You can check out full walkarounds of the lot here on YouTube. Every car's got a test drive and a walk-around video, just like this one. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy. Got a little bit of a showroom going to be coming in. That should be fun for the nicer cars. Probably going to step up, you know, buy some stuff that's 40 to 50,000 just to put in there. But we'll still keep the cars out here, you know, from let's say 5 grand to 30 grand is going to be sitting all over the lot. I do appreciate y'all watching. Got some new stuff we're going to be getting to this week. Definitely that Nova and this Nova, which is going to be pretty fast, full roll cage inside it. Got the Mustang coming up and a few more out here. I do appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one, guys.